just like in the restaurants, but straight to your dinner table. This delicious grilled chicken Caesar salad recipe also has a healthy booster of protein thanks to the marinated grilled chicken breasts. What are you waiting for? Try it for dinner tonight with our easy-to-follow guide. To start, add the olive oil, lemon juice, garlic powder, oregano, marjoram, salt, and ground black pepper into a mixing bowl. Stir the ingredients together to make the marinade, then pour it over the chicken breasts. Refrigerate it for 4 hours or overnight, and once ready, grill it for 7 to 10 minutes per side until the juices run clear. Once cooked, remove it from the grill and let it cool down. Slice the chicken into strips, then set aside. Now rub the inside of a large salad bowl with the garlic cloves, then discard the cloves afterwards. Add in the romaine lettuce, croutons, anchovies, and parmesan cheese, then toss to combine. Place the chicken over the salad and set it aside. Meanwhile, make the dressing by combining the olive oil, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, egg yolk, blue cheese, salt, and ground black pepper in a mixing bowl. Toss the ingredients together, then pour it over the salad. Toss once more to combine, then serve. Make it more flavorful by sprinkling some Parmesan cheese on top. Enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.